What's the meaning of cricket? Cricket. Cricket.
Cricket. Cricket. Cricket can refer to multiple things such as the sport played with a bat and ball, an insect with long antennae, or a wireless communication system. In the context of sports, cricket is a game popular in countries like England, Australia, and India, where 2 teams of 11 players each take turns batting and fielding. The game is characterized by a rectangular pitch, wickets, and various fielding positions. The objective is to score more runs than the opposing team. Cricket requires skill, strategy, and endurance. It is a beloved sport for many people and has a rich history and culture associated with it.